Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss photosensitizer and greenery. Photosensitizer and greenery. Chlorophylls are widely abundant photosensitizer in nature that enables conversion of solar energy to biochemically useful forms. They are very cheap, commercially available, main group metal based, and provide excellent efficiency for singlet oxygen mediated chemistry. Role of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is photosensitizer. Main role of chlorophyll is in a plant to absorb light, usually sunlight. This is the main role of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is also called photosensitizer. It is photosensitizer. Chlorophyll's job in a plant is to absorb light, usually sunlight. The energy absorbed from light is transferred to energy storing molecules. Through photosynthesis, the plant uses the stored energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from air and water vapor is also available in air, and carbon dioxide and air is converted to glucose, a type of sugar required for food for plants. In 1972, scientists discovered that chlorophyll could absorb sunlight and transfer energy into electrochemical cells. This discovery eventually led to use of photosensitizer as sunlight harvesting materials in solar cells, mainly through use of photosensitizer. Magnesium present in chlorophyll is located at the center of the pigment. Magnesium helps for the proper functioning of pigment and also stimulate some enzyme. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plant, is a complex that contains magnesium. Magnesium metal is present in chlorophyll. Without magnesium, plant would not be able to capture sunlight to convert energy. Magnesium is the central atom of the chlorophyll pigment. Without magnesium, no greenery. Magnesium metal is present in chlorophyll. Without magnesium, plant would not be able to capture sunlight to convert energy. Magnesium is the central atom of the chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophylls are the complexes of magnesium ion with 4 porphyrin rings. The chlorophylls are complexes of magnesium ion with substituted chlorine. The magnesium ion at the center is covalently bound with 2 nitrogen atoms and coordinately bound to other 2 nitrogen atoms of a tetrapyrrole ring. Here, magnesium is making total 4 bonds. The magnesium ion at the center is covalently bonded with 2 nitrogen atoms and coordinately bound to other two nitrogen atoms of the tetrapyrrole ring. Chlorophyll is the most abundant pigment in plants. Chlorophyll absorbs light with wavelength of 430 nanometer for blue and 660 nanometer for red. The wavelengths of the light most absorbed during photosynthesis is 660 nanometer. Photosynthesis is maximum in red light followed by blue. Photosynthesis is maximum in red light followed by blue, means maximum absorption is of red light, after that blue. And this light this wave actually provides energy to the plant. Red light, first red light, it will absorb. Red light means red wavelength, that is absorbed, and it is most of the light what plant absorb is red light. After that blue light. Photosynthetic cell contains special pigments that absorb light energy. Different pigments respond to different wavelengths of visible light. Chlorophyll is the primary pigment used in photosynthesis, reflects green light and absorbs red and blue light most strongly. Actually, plants absorb red and blue light most strongly, and it reflects green light. Green light is complementary light of red light, means after absorbing the red, some energy is absorbed by the plant or by the chlorophyll, and rest is given out. Then it's this complementary color of red is green. That's why all plants, all trees, all leaves of the trees and plants appears green. And main thing is that chlorophyll is the primary pigment used in the photosynthesis, and it reflects green light and absorbs red and blue light most strongly. And blue light is more energetic, and its complementary color is light orange. Then here there is a role of, in greenery there is a role of chlorophyll. Main role is of chlorophyll, and in chlorophyll who is playing the biggest role? Then that is the magnesium. Magnesium, due to the magnesium complex, magnesium metal ion, that absorbs in chlorophyll, magnesium metal ion, that absorbs actually red and blue wavelength. And red wavelength, its length is 60 nanometer. For the red, plant will absorb 660 nanometer wavelength. Its color will be red. That is called red, 660 nanometer. That is for red wavelength, red light. And 430 nanometer, that is for blue. Then this 430 nanometer means it is a wavelength of the blue light, and 660 nanometer means wavelength of red light. And both wavelength, that is full of energy. That energy is absorbed by magnesium ion present in chlorophyll, and after absorbing this red and blue light, its complementary color it will reflect, that is the green. For the red, complementary color is green. That's why all plants, trees, all leaves, every type of leaves, it appears green, and blue is absorbed little less, and due to its blue color, now its complementary color is orange, light orange. That's why sometimes you will find that orange color also, light orange color. Then this photosensitizer, that is actually chlorophyll, and chlorophyll magnesium ion is there. Due to that, everywhere, wherever plant is there, green is there, or you can tell for the greenery, this magnesium complex present in chlorophyll, that is responsible for greenery all over the world. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.